with Lady T.
What did they happen for Italy now? Many people they say they want to come out for Italy because they don't knack, you know. They say, you know, they say where tortoise, old woman for see tortoise carry, you know, they finish for there. Many of our people say they want come out, so don't even call me. They say Lady T, they want come out. Now, so now not give you on they go. We on one wrong go. Now no say everywhere don't cast. Now Jamie na one go. Now no they see what the Apple deportation every time. I've been at France now na one go. Mona just be around. Mona find how una go take waka this matter. You understand? Una not say for Italy. People wait in Italy. They say that by January they want bring one law that they call her Unico. This Unico, they want to they assist children, you know, right from time. They know they pay children, but they get different bonus when we say if they reach some people hands, you know, they reach some people hands. So they can't just look and say for the so they do all this bonus, this one, that one, ready to the Chitadinasa, bonus mama, bonus nenemi, this one. They can't reason and say make they just do all of them once, make they just they support children for Italy from January 2022. Even before, if you they work, they physically they pay your children for inside your salary. That is your working place, but they pay your children too. They see they do that one. Even that one they want cancel around. People when you get to the children when they pay money before, they want to cancel that one. They want cancel all the bonus when they. That's why they call her Unico. This bonus when they cancel for January. But the Reddit, they want cancel everything. Then from that January, they can't talk how much they would they pay the children. Right now, I don't know the amount. I don't know if you can't lie. I don't know the amount when they say they want to they pay. Whether they want look easy, say they pay or they just get one amount, say na 200 or na 150 or na 50 euro. But they never, I don't really know about that one. But they say they will they pay all the money once. As if you get children, you talk your children, then you do the domada, then they pay you. They cancel by January. Now everything will stop. Make me do this video today. Be say our people when they Italy now make me they do this video because many people they don't really enter one chance right now as they talk to now. So courts now they bring paper for them say they need to come pay because of the Reddit when they do. You know when this Reddit the cheater the answer come out, they talk and say now people when don't spend 10 years now go they pay now go feel put in for this domada when it come out. So this bonus when it come out so of the Reddit, you must spend 10 years for Italy. So people when never ever spend 10 years, they can't they put in. But what they can't they surprise me say is can't they give them the money? Because some people will ask me, they'll call me, they'll say Lady T, and they want put in for register the cheater denounce. I say for law, they say you must spend 10 years and proof go. They say you don't spend 10 years for this country before they will give you this bonus. So you can't tell me say, they give my friend now. My friend wait they 5 years, they give her now. Why they not will give me? Me will say now so the law be talking about me. I don't know how it's going to give your friend, you know. You can't be like say me they lie. So I just can't say whether they can't say change the law, put on for 5 years, you know. Sometimes things they change. Don't fit tell you say now so later they fit can't decide say okay, no be so. I remember waiting change again. Maternity money if person newly born, if you know they work. Before now who get passports, then they give, but later they can't change that, they can't they give who get 00. So if like say they can't see change that again, they give who get 5 years, but I don't really know about that one. But I know say that one changed na passport before. So as they see tell me, I believe say maybe it changed as usual. So my people, thank you for the like and love. God will bless all of now when they put like and love for me. Up ever for you guys. Thank you so much, you know. So this Reddit when it can come out so many people can't they do, even the ones who never spent 10 years, they can't they do one. And it's can't even they overpay. Actually, get one guy when they say they pay 18,000 euro for said because they'll give you card, they'll give you yellow cards. They put money every month for that yellow card for you. 18,000 euro that they pay for this brother yellow card. This brother say when he see him, he say he's shocked. He can say this one too much. He can't call me now. Say I beg this money. Go confirm this money before you start to the use and may not go shopping because his money he go hook you for throat. Their money not they lost. Their 1 naira not they lost. If they overpay you, now they still overpay you. You not go there go thief out. They'll come ask you that money. e tend to come. Sometimes they take years, they'll come ask you. Now the brother can say, okay, go ask them. He say when you reach him, they say na appointment, and you know say na appointment that they give now. So he can't go poster. He say that poster appointment and say may not use the money. The brother not use the money. You understand? So right now, the East people, they don't they not be even East. And they say the entrata, people when they control money for the country, they don't enter inside this matter of this Reddit now. They can't discover say many people will not deserve the money, they pay the excess. Where they for take enter now this Romania people, because of say they feel they from their country, they enter Italy because they summer European Union something like that. So they fit enter with small money, 70 euro, 100 euro if it's too much. They don't enter here from their country. So they come, they pack their people. They come Italy, come they do this no matter even news. It carry on. So they come, they pack their people. If their people come do and they come, they pay them almost 1,000 plus. You understand? So if they just come, they'll come collect the money, they'll go back to their country. They don't even get residence for here. They know they stay here. They are not to just their people, maybe get person when they do the connection for them. Now to just carry the come here, they'll just do the domada, they'll go their side every month because now obele go they say they come now. They'll just say come collect money. So even when news they talk, me self, I can't verse. I said they say people when you spend 10 years, but all these people they never even get resident for here, they never stay here, but they'll just come collect this money. I can't say it's not good because me we don't spend that many years for here. They not give me. You understand? The time when this thing bonus come out, me I put in like other people 1 year I don't see 1 naira. Now still go meet them say no give me this thing no. They say they will give me, they can't check and they can't say now 100 euro though they give me. Sometimes 95 euro. I say okay, no problem. They give me reach 3 I be 4 times. Then Corona can't starts. So when Corona starts, I can't surprise, I can't see 300 or something for 1 month. That time when everywhere take lockdown, when everywhere be red. I even come there, say maybe now the condition that made they increase this money so everywhere don't red, everybody theirs. After they give me 300 or something, the other month they can't give me 200 or something. Okbari, come reach today, they don't give me anything again. So when I went to it, I don't see money for it, I don't still call me there again say now not pay me this money because me know people they collect 1,000 plus. You understand? So they collect 800. I'm going me there. So now not give me. Then they come tell me say me I report in again. I say okay. I report in again. They come tell me say our this thing high that I not deserve the money. Say our this thing high. Now so I tell rest to I not even come put in again. I not stress myself, you know. But somebody actually tell me say me I come their side, not say Italy big now, their state. Say they will give me, say they give people any year for them. I can't look as I don't know if you carry my resident come on go another person state or go do such thing because it go still hook on my throat. As well say my home state don't tell me say my this thing I they no fit give me. So for me to go another place, now money where for me because me they fear this there is money where you if you eat and you must pay. You must pay. I don't see people when you pay when be say now me say they take whether now me say they take put the money or I don't know. But they tell they say me they pay. You understand? The girl one of that my Senegal friend when me and the ride bicycle. I still ride bicycle today. Very soon I will enter road. So she, her husband, they bring almost 3,000 euro for the husband make it come pay. They say now one money 8 years ago when they overpay. Say the man need to come pay that 3,000. Now the man can say you don't get 3,000 to pay. They can't get to say make the man can't do whether na that time go they pay small. So our money when you must pay me already know all these things. That's why I just rest. So right now because I say the people when they control money for the country, they don't enter the matter because of all these Romanian people when they come now Napoli they mostly go they do what they do. So now Napoli news talk. So because this our side that they control well. So because of all those people when they can't enter, when they control well, now they can't discover say many of our people, our African people do this thing where we say they never reach 10 years for Europe. They can't begin to bring letter come for them. Say courts don't calculate all the money. So now 20-something thousand You know say na 1,000 plus every month, so na 20 something thousand, so na 15,000, so na 80,000 euro. So the money come too big for them. Now they come say they wan run comot for the country. So wetin una go do? Me I believe say una not just run, because if una still run, which country una wan run go? So I dey make this video say, but I don't know if they will ask you to return it. Not be with the talk, so you go pay the money. That money you go pay, but not be money when you fit pay once. I not believe, because they don't say you not go get the money once. Maybe you get bonus when you do, or if you don't dey work, the concept make you can't dey pay small. You go pay the money you go pay. Now his money, that they pay his money not the loss. Ask anybody when you don't take for this Italy, that they pay. That they pay. That they pay, oh, that they pay my people. For me, France gave me 8,000. Okay. For me, France gave me, okay. I try to look comments. So now money where they pay my people. Now money where they pay, but mama na France. Not be France, Italy. Now Italy, I not the France. I don't know about France. This one not fit happen in Vicenza. For my own city, not they happen though. For when I'm Napoli, they for do all those things. He say not fit happen for Vicenza. Not be all state, so our side there. I say my own, they not give me. I just rest, because they tell me say my heredity high. My husband heredity high. Me I know they work now. Only my husband they work. We be 6 for family, 4 children. They not still give me. But me see people where be say that they work, that you get one pikin, that they pay 1,000 plus. But I don't know why they not give me. They say our own high. Not only God I know. So I not just bother, because ever since we not fair day, I they live. You understand? Ever since we are not the city come, I feel survivor. So why be say they not give me this one now? Say I want come. So people will be say this matter involved now come for, so say me I tell you now, say no need for una to run comot for the country, because where una dey run dey go, who will make it pay? So far they not deport people. No, Italian not they quit deport people. Even because of them, they not go see deport anybody. Your own na to agree say you dey owe. Maybe they fit find work for you when you take pay. They fit better say find work for you. Say this money you must pay, and will find work for you. They take for inside they pay, yeah. And you know we'll go kiri. No, now for Germany I hear say that they go kiri for money matter. For Italy, yeah, no. I don't know. Me I not go. Na social media I don't know that they go kiri, but I never saw go kiri for Italy. Okay, they say you never reach 10 years. You be go put in for the domada. Now 10 years old. Yeah, you have to be 10 years. Even if you say you don't spend 10 years, you don't get proof. You never see complete 10 years. Proof must they say you don't get spend 10 years. As in maybe you don't come 15 years, and that 15 years you don't get documents. Now after 8 years you can't get documents. So you never see reach 10 years. Now when you take get document, then they look. Now I saw that they do. And even if you say you don't come before then, now when that document they look. Okay, so no need to say you want run, or when they call people say you want run, or come they call me say you want run, come out for the country, which country you want go, nowhere to go. Jamie they deport people now. Now no they hear the way Jamate they deport people now. Now once they run, go that side. So only waiting me go see, maybe if you have fair document, I don't know. It is good for them can find you a job. So yeah, maybe they will find you they better Okomu or better city. They feel help you find work when you take they pay small, because the money really big, 20-something thousand euro. Not be small money or not be yeah. You understand? No say some people that they pay their 1,000 plus every month, so now 800, 900 every month for 2 years. Imagine now. Imagine say the money tick, you know. And you know say, and sometimes my people, especially money where they come from east, if the money they come like this, still go ask question. Ask question. If you see the money like that, ask question. You get one day where I see money like that, now 800. So I go there, I go ask question, say this 800. See later where you can say they benefit me with 800. I don't understand though, because me I don't know is. Now they can't tell me say yes, say but I need to go one appointment, that if I miss that appointment I go pay this 800 back. Now say that's okay. I don't even use the 800. I make sure say I go the appointment before I use that 800, because I know say if I miss that appointment I go pay the money back. So sometimes it dey be like that. It's feel your right to say you get so amount, but not just collect the money and go sleep. Collect the money, go ask. Make sure say you ask questions. Say this money na for wetin? If you no understand the money, ask, because you go pay the money back. This money is not the lost for this country. I too open for money. I not to blame them, you know. Maybe somebody when collect five, maybe somebody when saying he does spend when he does spend 5 years, you go do the demand that they give him, and you see say your neighbor he don't spend 5 years, you don't spend 5 years, they give him, you say now you're right. But sometimes we not to blame them, not be open like that, because they can reject them. Like me now, they reject me. So the city where they don't reject people, they're supposed to reject them. Okay, imagine now say they can't do one for me now. After they don't give me the money now, they can't tell me say I complete 10 years old, but the problem is say our readity high, so the money I go pay them back. Hello, you understand? So now they're supposed to control, say okay, this money we not give you, just as they reject me, they go reject them. Not be say they don't give them finish, then they'll come to them say me they can't pay the money. I know say open high day, but maybe you feel to say they change law now make you go down. They feel reject them. They feel reject them. You understand? But they not reject them now. So you don't feel say now open high like that, because they not thief the money. So if they want to pay, they'll still pay. They must pay that money. So my dear people, more than not run come out for the country. As now they say na one run. More than not run. What now do? I go find work. I don't want to they pay small small. Now credit where person say no go pay. That be the problem. And if now no say I want to do any big thing for the country, now make sure so now pay on now there to they grant. Now there don't come for now again. In Vicenza, yeah. Before you get anything from government hand, very hard, especially if your husband is working. Yeah, the same thing with here. The same thing, all the bonus when they do, how many they don't give me? Even when red come out, I not see 1 error. Red come out, I not see 1 error. Many like that. When you say I know, they don't give me. But I prefer say they don't give me that. They can't give me. They can't say me I can't pay back money I don't shop. So come they vomit and come out. They had them. So now be the cocoa for yourself. So that be the cocoa for inside. So my people, wanna share this video, wanna make them understand. Say anybody when court, because they just go straight to court. Because when I was pregnant, they credited me. Before 1 week again, I was credited 800 euros again. I went there and asked them why. That is it. So you need to ask. Not just say that they credit you, you just they collect the money, or because they make that mistake where for many cities. Whether they fear to eat government money. Not beside they fear. If government give me money, if na my right, say na bonus, na my right, I feel put here, I chop am. But say not be my right, I no fit take am, because I no ready to come out for the country, you know. Now people when don't ready say they don't want to stay, they don't tired, they want come out, they get where they put high. I not put high for anywhere. So me dey here, you understand? I get family for here, because you don't know what the future have for you tomorrow. There are so many people that don't make this mistake. They'll say they want your government money, they want your government money. In future, God will come bless them. Maybe God can't bless you now, you can't get better thing for the country. Now that's why government will come knock for your door. You understand? So you don't know what the future have for you. You don't need to say you want chop government money, you want chop and wait, be say not be your rights. Everybody they chop government money. Everybody, even the Italian people, the immigrants, all of us, they chop government money. But you eat it in a right way. You understand? When you know you are qualified for it, you get people when they qualify. Ever since I was not qualified, but I'm not worried, you know. But the one way I still qualify, the little one where they still give me is okay. I know if it also never shop government money, they don't still give me. when I still qualify, I take am. But the way I not qualify, I not feel lie to go take am, because e dey wait for person. All those one wey dem dey talk say after 5 years e go cancel. Not e dey cancel after 5 years o. Not e dey cancel not e dey cancel. E dey one corner dey wait until when, if you remain poor for the country, dem no get problem with you o. Dem leave you to go. If you come poor, say you no even feed yourself, na Caritas dey feed you, you no get anything, dem let you go for free. Even that money dem no go draw you. But you don't know wetin the future get for you. Tomorrow now, God fit come bless you, God fit come bless your children, and children, God come bless you, you can't get better thing for the country. Now that time they'll come knock for your door. You understand? So that's why the way you lie your mouth, now you take sleep put, because you don't know wetin the future get for you. So you need to do well, so that by the time when God don bless you, you go enjoy all your suffer for just enjoyment. Not be say all the suffer when God, all the works when God take bless you, you can use am go dey pay one gbese for corner. E get as e be, my people. Una go understand me later. No worry, una contact me for this video. So don't do that. I come 2011, but get my resident 2014 last year. I do the Domanda, Lady T. It's okay. Yeah, you don't complete 2000. You come 2011, but you get document 2014. 2014 and now many years? 7, 8 years, and you do the Domanda. My sister, I don't know about that one. You never reach 10 years. But you come 2011, you be don't reach 10 years when you take on. If you from Libya take on, say your document shows, say see the year when you take enter the country, I believe that one will cover you up. Yeah, my sister, I believe that one. If now from Libya you take on, and when they rescue now for see document there now, at least that one goes. They just say when you take the Italy, not be when you take get document. For people when you use flights take on, when be say they not present their visa when they take on, I understand the other way when many people say they come. Even if say they talk say no proof, but if you get proof, I believe say you'll do okay for that 2011 when you take on. If you get proof, that's how those first documents when they give on, they keep on well, because you don't know tomorrow now. So even if say they send you letter from court, say you never reach 10 years, you need to come pay the money. But if you feel present that paper when they say rescue now for see, you go give lawyer, they will cancel your own. For me, now wetin me think, I believe they'll cancel. As far as say you don't come more than 10 years, they'll cancel round. I'm gonna share this video. This video now contact me later. I just tell you now, because our people, I have applied for it. How long are we going to send? When going to send me message? You have applied for it. I don't know about right now, but I know that from that person for Patronata, they follow me discuss am. He tell me say from January 2022, all these bonus go cut off, all of them, both this Reddit and when they pay for working place, and then 3 children all when they pay, everything they cut off. Now only one, this Unico, now go there for January, and everybody will with easy. Now you take immediately you do your easy. But I don't know the amount when the call me again. Don't call me on. Won't make me hear this thing now. Anyway, I want it now. So now that one, now from that January, now it go be from January. If you don't do your easy, you quick go do your. So you put in for the space. If you are watching me, don't call me. Don't call me on this. Oh my God, people don't understand. I want this. Why they disturb me now? I wish I feel block this person. I wish I feel block her. I'll go block her later. Me come 2016. Me never reach 10 years. I can't think say before my husband is more than 10 years for where they not give use them say my husband is working. Yeah, now your husband for do am because you no fit do am, but your husband dey work, they no go give am because your husband is working. Like me too, they not give me and my husband we don pass 10 years, but they not give me. They say my husband dey work, though they first give me they give me 100 euro reach like 2 times, they give me 95 euro, I think 2 times again before corona start. They can't give me that 200 something and 300 something. Since then they not give me again. They not give me. So I go ask, they tell me say they not fit give me, say my husband dey work, that this thing high. So now some free sit down for my house. So not be everybody that they give. So if bonus they come like this, it good more with the ask question well, because the money they sweet to chop now to come pay. That be the just the money they sweet to chop to come pay. Sometimes if you they pay all those kind of money, you're the vex self. You say, oh, how can they pay this kind of money? But now what you must do. So don't say you want eat government money. Like that person will drop message for me say that they fear to eat government money. No, just put that one for back of your ear. No let that one your day your mind say now government money, I go shop government money. Depends on the country where you there. Like this country, yeah. If you eat their money, you will pay. They feel not disturb you. They know they disturb for you. Like I said before, like for Jamie, my friend actually tell me say for Jamie get money when they say me she pay, she not pay. The container said that he go pay the money or he go 1 week kiri. So he can't say he go pay the money, no go 1 week kiri. Nothing like that for you. They will just keep on for you. Then they wait whether you can't get money in future. If you can't get money in future, mind you, if na 100 euro before, you know they be 100 euro again. That future when you be say maybe God don't bless you, and you can't feel say okay, God don't bless me now 100 euro make I pay. You know they be 100 euro again. The money they can't increase. They can't increase. If you can enter 5,000, if you can enter 10,000, depends. The money they increase. Their money they increase for year. They don't just leave am for that 100 euro. Say 20 years time you can't pay the 100 euro. No, you get deadline when they will give you. If you not pay, they'll leave you, but the money will increase definitely. So that's why they be for this country. So my people, this no matter this Reddit when it come out, so people they run scatter because of say the since now courts now from come. You don't need to because of that one run come up for Italy. All you just need to do now to find work, start to they pay small. That's just the best thing, because when they run go, you don't know as it be. Especially when you say you still come back and renew your document. If they say you wrong, but no say many people they forget say if case they court for this country, it they different say you know they court too. Because even if say you wrong come out, you get 5 years documents, or you get passport, or maybe now that one way not they not they renew now you get. If you go there say maybe where you go they not give you paper, and you want come back for your document for year. Now this thing will come out. If it affect your paper, if you run if it affect your paper. But if you say you go they pay small, if you not affect your paper, that's just it. So my people, thank you so much. I think we should call it a day. Thank you so much for watching. Please wanna share this video so that those people when they live for Italy, wanna know say see the new law when day and see what really they happen about. If you know say you don't collect money like that, they bring paper for you, just try to see lawyer or see how you fit bring the money down, how much they want to they give for. I don't know at all, my affect talk. I don't know I know if you can't talk now say now 100 euro or 50 euro, maybe at the end they'll change their mind. Even themselves I not believe say they don't really confirm the money, but they pay each children from January by the special grace of God. Now be our prayers, because this bonus when they come, so many people know they get them. People who really they need of the bonus, they know they get them. You understand? Because maybe they know, I don't know. So that is it. So my people, wanna pull love for me, we'll call it a day. Pull love, and please share this video. Share this video to help someone now. Share this video to know what really they happen and what they expect for January. Share this video for people when they don't bring paper come for court, for them not to fear, to think on how to pay the money. Share this video for people wey be say any bonus come out, before you put in, make sure say you qualify, because that money you must vomit and come out. Share this video to everybody to know, people living in Italy, or if you see share around the world. Thank you so much. Thank you for the love. Thank you so much, all of you that have been supporting this channel in one way or the other. God Almighty will send someone to support you in anything that you do. Now me, I'm your sister, I'm your friend, I'm your girl, I'm your picky. Anyone you call me, I did it for you. I'll be your weather. I'll not be your enemy. But don't take me as your enemy, please. So thank you so much. I really appreciate you all. I love you all with the love of God. Thank you, and I'm going to see you on my next video by the special grace of God. Thank you, and God bless you all. Ciao.
If there is anything that is bothering you, my friend, please say it so others will learn. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T, and God will be your strength. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T, and God will see